Hello, welcome back, Johnny G, Naked Racer Motor Co. And today we've got our little Aprilia 6.5. One of the most polarising motorcycles in the world. You either love it or you hate it. A lot of people hate it. So the story goes, Aprilia approached Philippe Starck, a French designer, most famous for making an orange juicer and furniture and chairs and building design and renovations, to design a motorcycle, and a motorcycle that people that didn't ride motorcycles would want to ride. And so this is what he came up with, and you can see it's very sleek, it's very compact, it's very easy to ride. It's got the Rotax 6.5 350cc motor that Aprilia use, and it's just a great little package. Alloy rims, very smartly designed. You can see it's got a curved radiator, and you know, this cut around here, and the styling, the frame is an egg shape, and the exhaust follows the shape of the frame. It's got a collector underneath, which is unique from anything I've ever seen. But they've just gone with grey grips, grey cables, grey accents all over the bike. So silver and grey with obviously an orange flash. And some of them came with a beige sort of or cream flash here. But you know, everything down to the blinkers and the switch box, everything's unique to this bike. Now, people said it had lackluster performance. It was never designed to be a performance bike. It was made to be a city commuter and to suck up, you know, the bumps and the gutters and the, you know, the urban sprawl of Italy and France and, you know, countries like that where the roads aren't particularly smooth. And I think that does it very, very well. You know, it's a great fun bike to ride, very nimble, quick off the line, and zippy, very sure-footed, and you know, got big tyres for the size, and it's a lot of fun to ride. We'll show you later on. It's got beautiful wide instrumentation, obviously electric start, 5-speed, but you can see everywhere, like the tail light is Frenched into the rear guard, and everything's sort of very thought out. And I like it. I think it certainly has merit, and so did Guggenheim, because it was inducted into the Guggenheim Museum and as the art of the motorcycle. So it is the art of the motorcycle. So another little fun thing is this here, which looks like it's some part of an engine or something, is just a little toolbox where you keep your tool roll and whatever else you might need to put in. And it just hinges back on, and away you go. You can also see here, it's got the eccentric chain adjuster, which I think is very smart. You just undo your lock nut here, and you spin this to the required increment on both sides to get your chain adjustment right. Very clever design, really. Anyway, I think that's enough talk. Let's get down on the road and see what it can do. So great riding position on this, and very zippy. Just what you want for burning around town. Gotta say the seat's pretty firm on this. Not a lot of comfort, and it's not very plush. But hey, it looks good. What do you want? All right, guys, that was a bit of fun. I hope you liked it. I did. Great bike. And you can come and see it down here at Naked Racer Motor Co. So thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like, follow and share. Hit that subscribe button and we'll see you in the next video. Adios.